channel. I'm working on this 2012 Dodge Journey. What I want you to do is look at something real quick. I'm under the underbody. Okay, this is the transaxle, okay, meaning the axle part is built into the transmission. As you can see, the two axles coming out of the side. That makes it a front wheel drive unit. Now, back into the rear, you can see a drive shaft going to the rear, which happens to be attached to a viscous coupling, which is right here. You all should also notice is brand new, which is attached to a differential, which is also attached to two more axles that transfer torque to the rear wheels. Okay, now from these parts alone, you could assume this is an all-wheel drive unit. This is brand new viscous coupling. Let me say that again. Now, what I want you to look at here, notice something right here. This is the part that get people in trouble. Okay, let's take a look at these tire sizes. Okay, right here, 255, 55, R19. Keep in mind, I'm at the rear of the vehicle. Now let's move up to the front. And what do we have up front? Okay, where is it? Where is a good picture of the tire size? It is right here. Okay, 255, 50, R19. Okay, which means the front tires are totally different from the rear. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a no-no. You cannot do that in an all-wheel drive unit. Okay, so this brand new viscous coupling that I just replaced about a month ago is ruined. It's normally used to link the rear wheels to the front wheels so that when one set of wheels start to slip, torque will be transferred to the other set. All right, so all four tires have to match. You will ruin your suspension and your drivetrain driving around in an all-wheel drive vehicle with mismatched tires. Okay, if you're driving an all-wheel drive unit, make sure your tires match. All right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Alright guys, another shorts. Let's talk cooling system, guys. Alright, as you can see on this cooling system right here, this car came in for leaking coolant, also is overheating. Now, as I'm gonna show you right quick, the leak is obvious, guys. It's coming from the radiator. Alright, the seams of the radiator, and it looks like this radiator has been replaced before. Well, what I need you to understand, guys, be careful how you approach this, guys. You have to find a way to explain to the customer that first, and I mean first, that you have to replace this radiator in order to proceed. Okay, you have to check this system for a potential high pressure buildup in the cooling system, but the only way you can do that, first you got to replace and repair the obvious leaks, guys. We have to get this radiator replaced first before we can proceed. Try using the term we used a lot around the dealership called start here. Yes, you have to start with this repair in order to proceed, guys. It's just a safe, cautious way to go by doing this, because I don't want you to get jammed like we do from time to time. All right, stay tuned for more. Hashtag short. Here it is right here, guys. I'm in the carport. Okay, yeah, she left it in under the carport simply because the windows won't go down. Now, the windows won't go up. All right, I got the key, so let's find out exactly. Let's try to duplicate it. She seemed to think the regulator. Okay, I got the passenger side. This side won't go up and down, but look at this switch, guys. Okay, you can't blame that on the regulator, guys. You don't hear the regulator crunching, and it's likely not the regulator. However, a dead motor would give you the silent treatment, so be careful with that. But y'all know what? I got my extra spare switch. Let's get it. Bam! Y'all see this? Yeah, my test switch. So we're gonna take the switch out real quick, plug in my new one, and see if it worked. Hey, that's it, guys. Need a window switch. Hashtag short, guys. What is going on here? My man got the whole front facial off for this. This look like a 1500. I don't know what he doing this. You don't really have to take it off to do an engine, do you guys? Now he's fairly new, so you don't criticize somebody for doing a little extra work in order to make something easy on them. I always say that, guys. If whatever makes it easy for you, go ahead and do it. Don't worry about everybody on the internet talking about, you don't have to take that off. You don't have to. If he felt the need to take this off to make removing this engine easier, go for it. I don't know what he's doing. I'm just speculating, but He got the valve covers off. He don't have the heads off, so I don't know if it was making noise. I don't know what he doing. That's a good question, but I'm gonna find out, because why would one take the whole front fascia off? Any of you mechanics out there can answer that? Why would you feel the need to take this off in order to do what? Okay, in other words, speculate what he's about to do, because I don't know, but I'm gonna find out Monday. All right, that's all I got. #short.